There are many features that are provided with the Legend laser series from Epilog Laser. Here we're looking at the Mini18, the Mini24, and also the Helix. These models have built-in features that allow you to get your work done just a little easier on some special projects. A couple of those built-in features are using the visible red dot pointer, and also allows you to use that to a movable temporary home position over the work. So sometimes it's easier on odd-shaped products to provide a center-center point of reference or location rather than trying to use the upper left corner. We're going to take a look at how to do that now. So we're going to use the red dot pointer to find a center-center location on an odd-shaped product inside the machine. So we have our mug that we're going to use in the rotary attachment. Now we have a page in CorelDRAW where we have our logo, and we're going to rotate that 90 degrees because the left edge of the page is where the open space of the mug is. So on our left side, that's the open space that our mug is going to clamp down to, and at the bottom of the mug, that's going to be on the right side. So we're going to take our mug, and we've measured and applied our CerMark. So we've measured the area in which the CerMark is applied to the mug, and that has become the page size in CorelDRAW. So we measure the CerMark area, and that is the size of the page in CorelDRAW. So with our artwork turned 90 degrees, now we're ready to print that over the machine. And when we send this to the printer driver, we're going to tell it raster engraving, 25% speed, 100% power. Then we're going to choose autofocus and be sure we have center engraving checked. So with our mug and our attachment, we have our CerMarked area exposed on the top side. We're going to now use our red dot pointer. So on the display of the laser, we're pushing the pointer button, and that's going to show the red dot on the left edge. That's its normal home position when we first turn the machine on. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use that to find our left extent. So we're going to push XY off, and then we have to push go to confirm. So when we push go, that enables us to move the carriage, and we're going to set that red dot over the top side where that CerMark begins. That's going to be our left extent. Now what we do is push the set home button, and that's going to lock that down as 0, so we won't be able to move our carriage. Now that'll be locked in that position. Now we push XY off and go again to confirm. Then we're going to move that to the right side. So our XY is disabled, and we're going to move that to the right side or the bottom of where our CerMark area is. And we see a digital readout. This is the neat thing we're pointing out, is it's a servo motors on the Epilog Helix and Mini18 and Fusion have the servo motors that allow you to find a center location. So we've got the bottom extent set to 2.68. And so with that area, we're going to just divide that by 2, and we've moved that to the bottom. Now we're going to move that back to the left side, dividing by 2. So we're going to take the lens or the red dot pointer and move that to the center location. So we have 1.34 is where that needs to read. So we're going to drag that to the 1.34 area, and we're going to watch our red dot, and we're going to watch our display. And as we move that to the left, we're looking for 1.34. Now once we have that in the center, mathematically speaking, over our 1.34 area, we're going to simply push the set home button on the display. And that's going to lock down the center location of our logo to be engraved in that area. We push autofocus. That's going to move that over the mug, raise it up till it touches the autofocus plunger, roll back half the distance, and then start engraving our job. The CerMark produces a really rich, dark black mark, really reducing the amount of reflection from the light as opposed to using a fiber laser on stainless steel. So once that's done, we're going to pull that out and take a look at our mark. So then we're going to wash our CerMark off with water. We're just going to take that to the sink and just begin to wash that off clean. And now we see a good cold black mark that is staying right on the mug. That's a permanent marked etched area. And there's our engraved logo, right in the center of where we wanted it to be. Okay, so this is Randy Allen from Engraving Concepts. We appreciate you taking a look at our video today. We laser etched the Yeti mug, showing you how to apply the CerMark. We looked at the laser machine on how to use the red dot pointer to find the center location of an odd-shaped product. So hopefully that'll be help. Thank you very much and have a great day. Y'all can stop now.